Good morning, class. Now today we are going to discuss very important topic in calculus, that is differential equation. And this topic differential equation, and this topic is also very important in your examination or like competitive exams like JEE and NEET, not NEET, JEE and other competitive exams in engineering. First, we'll come to know what is differential equation. So, a differential equation is an equation which involve differential coefficient is called differential equation. That means an equation which involves differential coefficient is called differential equation. Now, what is differential coefficient? So, most of you are aware about this term differential coefficient. It means derivative. That means dy over dx is your differential, d square by dx square. This is again your differential coefficient, and d cube y over dx cube. Again, it is differential coefficient. That is any differential of order n that can be treated as your differential coefficient. Correct? So now, if you write any differential equation like d square y dx square plus 2 dy over dx plus 3y is equals to your differential equation. So this is one of the differential equation. Another way that you can write dy over dx plus 3y is equals to 0. This is another differential equation. Now, in these two equations, you can easily find a differential coefficient over here. This part, again, here you have differential coefficient. It means these equations are treated as your differential equation. Okay. Now, another important thing, we can write this equation in another way, like suppose capital Y2 plus 2 times of capital Y1 and plus y is equals to 0. So this y2 is treated as your d square y dx square. So another way of writing differential equation is y2 plus, that means this shows that we are treating this coefficient up to order 2 and then 2y1 plus y, that is equals to 0. Same y1 you can write as dy over dx. Okay. Now, next, sometimes we have to also find its order and degree. From there, we are getting its solution. Okay, how we'll find the solution and how we'll form the differential equation. If any equation is given to you, then how you can convert this in terms of differential equation. So, first we'll come to know two terms related to differential equation. First is called your order. So differential equation, we need to define these two terms, order and next one is degree. That means order of differential equation and degree of differential equation. So what do you mean by order of a differential equation? Okay? Correct. Come to the first point, order. Order of a differential equation. That means the highest order derivative present in differential equation is called or treated as its order. That is highest order term is treated as. That means suppose I'm writing this equation d square y dx square plus dy over dx and plus 2y. This is equals to 0. So highest order derivative present is this. So this is called the order of differentiation. That means order of this differential equation is 2. That means we have a 2 order of differentiation over here. So that means, and this is the highest one in this differential equation. So you can say the order of differential equation is d, only you can say 2, because we have to just say the numeric part. So d square y dx square, that is double derivative also you can say. So this is the order of differential equation. Got it? Now, next one, come to the degree. Degree, here we don't have space, so I'm writing here. So degree is the exponent of the highest order term is called the degree. Okay? The exponent of highest order term is called degree of differential equation. The exponent of highest order term is called the degree of differential equation. For example, suppose I'm taking the same example d square y dx square. So its exponent is 1. Its exponent is 1. So that's why the degree of this equation is 1. So order is 2 and degree is 1 of the given differential equation. Correct? Let's go for some more example and we'll find the differential equation. First we'll write differential equation and then after we'll go for its order and degree. Suppose I have one example like dq y over dx cube plus 3 d square y dx square plus y is equals to 0. So now we have to answer what is the order and degree of this differential equation. So suppose I'm this taking as this one. So order. So as I told you, the highest order derivative present in this equation. So highest order derivative is 3. So order is 3. Now degree. Again, I told you the exponent, highest order term is this one, and the exponent is 1 of this term. So degree of this equation is 1. Clear? Any problem? Now one more thing is there. Here we have a highest order is 2, but the order of the differentiation is 2 here, and more than that we have a 3 order here. So this value will nullify. That means this value has no meaning here. We have to just go for highest order derivative and the exponent of the highest order derivative. That is treated as the degree. This is the main important thing in this. Okay, sometime in some differential equation, degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. So most of the question coming in competitive exam is not defined in differential equation. So most of the engineering entrance examination that you will find, some equation will given to you, and there you have to answer what is order and degree. But in that case, degree is not defined because a few people know about these things where the degree is not defined. Correct? So let's first discuss where the degree is not defined of a differential equation. So when differential coefficient, if mentioned in any of the angle, then differential equation, in that differential equation, degree is not defined. That means, suppose I am writing d square y dx square plus sine of, I am writing this differential equation, dy over dx plus y. This is equals to 0. So here in angular term, differential coefficient is there. That means here order, if we'll write, so this is 2 and degree is not defined because degree term here is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because one of the differential coefficient is in the angular term. Angular term, that is, it is the angle of a trigonometric ratio. That's why degree here is not defined. Clear? Now, another example, suppose I am taking as d square y dx square plus 3 d cube y over dy dx cube and 1 by 3 power plus 3y, this is equals to 4. Suppose this is any kind of equation we have. So here the highest order derivative is 3. So order is 3. But again, if we'll talk about the degree of this differential equation, so degree is here in rational form, that is 1 by 3. Got it? So it means degree here is not defined because the degree here is given in terms of rational part, or you can say rational number is given of the highest order derivative term. So that's why degree is not defined here. Okay.